Welcome to Oh Come, Let Us Adore Him, our Advent course, an invitation to journey through this season of Advent as we wait expectantly for the coming of Christ as King. Our course is an invitation to reflect on key themes like love, joy, peace, patience, all of which the birth of Jesus initiates, spanning the length and breadth of Wales. Our course consists of readings and reflections and discussion questions, each led by one of the bishops of the diocese. So, whether you intend on doing this course yourself or you get a group together, it's an opportunity for us to grow spiritually and draw closer to God. Do get a group together, prepare for Advent, and oh come, let us adore Him.